Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shady BTC, and you are watching the Jumper. On today's topic, we're going to be talking about how you can snipe liquidity, or in a layman language, how to use God mode to trade a token that the liquidity has not yet been added. Then just say you have an LCA, you have an ECA that you are sure that this is the LCA of that particular project, and the contract has not yet been deployed. This thing has not yet been added. Liquidity has not yet been added to it. But we want to snipe. We want to snipe. So how do you do it? Okay. So that is exactly what we gonna be talking about today. Okay. Let's say we let's get down to business. Okay. So we go to, let's say we got the LECA already. We already with the LECA, and it just goes to your Swift trading booth. Okay. You just paste the ECA here. As you can see. Yes. Okay. It's gonna pop up like this way. What do? You go to Snipe. Okay. You click on Snipe Liquidity. Click on Snipe Liquidity. I see. You have Snipe Liquidity. The delay block you added is 0. This delay block simple means that the seconds it's gonna take for the boat to buy. Okay, 0 delay block means immediately the boat this thing is being added, at the boat should buy immediately. Why one delay block is, I think the delay block is 3 seconds or so. So and the thing goes that way. 2 delay block, that means 6 seconds after the liquidity is being added. Okay, now you have click on Snipe Liquidity. You go to slippage. You can activate can add, maybe make the slippage something like 200. Okay, so it doesn't hinder you from sniping. Okay, then the next thing is you select the amount you want to buy. Let's say I'm buying 0.05 BNB. Okay, I'm buying 0.05 BNB. I'm not gonna send this in because if I do, I have money in this wallet, so the bot is gonna snipe this and make the liquidity be added. Okay, so you just add the BNB, you send the amount you want to snipe, you send. That is all. So immediately I've done it, that is all. So once they just add liquidity, the bot will automatically snipe into the project by itself. So this is just basically how to snipe liquidity. There's nothing more, there's nothing less in it. Okay, so similar to how to do it on Mr. Bot, but just that the difference on this one on Sweet Bot, you paste the ECA, you go to Snipe, you click on Snipe, just like we did detail here. You go to Snipe Liquidity, you click on Snipe Liquidity, you add the delay block you want, the delay block you want, just 0, we leave it on 0. They add the amount, the quantity you want to buy, which is this. It might be 1 BNB, 0.1 BNB, 0. Depending on what you want, you input it. Then slippage, you make the slippage 200 so that it doesn't hinder you from sniping. Okay, then after that is all. Just send back. So let me just send it. Once the liquidity is being added, the bot automatically snap into it. So this is just all on how to snipe liquidity. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you made something out of it. Thank you.